Assalamualaikum. Good morning, dear student. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in your science class. Open book page number 31. Our topic is continue, which is about push and pull. In this video, we will learn about going faster. Dear kids, as we know, we can move things by pushing them. So in this video, we will learn about the harder we push, the faster thing will move. Here you can see a picture. In this picture, you can see a boy who is pushing sledge and the sledge moving very fast. प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं लड़का स्लेज को पीछे से धक्का दे रहा है, तो वो स्लेज तेज़ी के साथ अपनी जगह से मूव कर रही है. Here you can see pulling. लड़का स्लेज को अपनी ओर खींच रहा है, पीछे से धक्का नहीं दे रहा, आगे से वो खींच रहा है अपनी तरफ. Dear kids, you have to write on your book page number 31 in which picture the boy pushing sled and in which picture boy pulling sled. Here is worksheet for you. You have to tick the correct answer. Good luck, Allah.